The OnePlus One 50R is preparing for a surprising twist ahead of its official launch next week. The phone has been the subject of several teasers, signaling that OnePlus wants to generate maximum attention before it goes on sale. A new color variant, previously expected to remain China only, is now getting global attention. The electric purple OnePlus Ace Edition, first seen in the Chinese market as the OnePlus Ace 6T, is rumored to be making its way to international buyers. This bold purple finish adds a fresh option to the global lineup, which initially seemed limited to charcoal black and mint breeze. While its availability in the US remains uncertain, the hints OnePlus has been dropping suggest that it is a strong possibility. The new color will officially launch alongside the other editions on December 17. Internally, the 50R remains unchanged. It continues to target the mid-range segment, offering a balance of performance and features without reaching flagship-level pricing. The phone is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which, although not the top-tier elite variant, still delivers strong performance capable of handling everyday tasks and demanding apps. The battery is another standout feature. The OnePlus One 50R comes with a massive 7400 mAh cell, which is larger than even the 7300 mAh battery found in the full OnePlus 15 flagship. While it does not reach the 8300 mAh battery of the Chinese market Ace Edition, it still exceeds most competitors in the mid-range and premium categories, including Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Google Pixel 10 Pro. Charging is rated at 100 watt wired, matching OnePlus' usual fast charging standard. The display is equally impressive. The 6.8-inch screen supports 165Hz refresh rate, providing smooth scrolling and responsive gaming performance, which is the same high-end specification as OnePlus flagship models. OnePlus is also emphasizing durability this time, promoting extensive protection standards including IP66, IP69, and IP69K. These ratings suggest the device can withstand dust, water, and even high-pressure cleaning, making it one of the more rugged options in the mid-range space. On the software front, the OnePlus One 50R ships with OxygenOS based on Android 16. Google's Gemini AI will serve as the default assistant, integrating AI capabilities directly into the system. This adds a level of convenience for daily use, whether managing tasks, controlling smart devices, or seeking information. Pricing is expected to stay around $599, following OnePlus' previous strategy with the standard OnePlus 15. This positions the 50R firmly in the mid-range category while delivering features that can rival higher-end devices. Its combination of a powerful chipset, massive battery, high refresh rate display, and advanced durability could make it a standout option for users looking for performance without flagship prices. The OnePlus One 50R seems to be carefully designed to appeal to mid-range buyers who still want flagship-style features. Competitors like the Pixel 9 and Samsung Galaxy A56 5G offer solid performance in this segment, but the One 50R has several advantages that could give it an edge. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, a huge battery, a smooth 165Hz display, and top-tier durability ratings, the One 50R appears to deliver more than what is typically expected in this price range. Hands-on testing will reveal how well these specifications translate into real-world performance, but early indications are promising. A major factor in the 15R's potential success will be accessibility. If the phone is widely available at launch and supported by carriers, it could see rapid adoption. OnePlus has been hinting at US availability, and if the launch on December 17 confirms this, the One 50R could quickly become a popular choice for users seeking a reliable daily driver. Aggressive pricing and easy access are key to maximizing its impact in global markets. Another element that sets the OnePlus One 50R apart is its bold styling. The electric purple color is eye-catching and offers something different from standard black or pastel finishes. It demonstrates OnePlus' willingness to experiment with design while maintaining the core features that make the phone appealing to mid-range buyers. For those who value aesthetics alongside performance, this color could be a deciding factor. Overall, the OnePlus One 50R combines a range of features that make it stand out in the mid-range smartphone segment. A large 7400 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, high refresh rate 6.8-inch display, and extreme durability ratings provide a compelling package for everyday use. The addition of Google's Gemini AI as a built-in assistant adds convenience and smart functionality, while pricing around $599 keeps it accessible. The launch of the electric purple One 50R Ace Edition could broaden its appeal even further. If OnePlus successfully makes this variant available outside China, it will not only provide a unique visual option, but also position the One 50R as a global mid-range contender with style, power, and longevity. With the launch date set for December 17, the wait for hands-on reviews is almost over. The OnePlus One 50R is poised to make a significant impact in its category, and the combination of performance, battery life, display quality, and durability makes it a phone worth watching. If pricing and availability meet expectations, the 15R could become a favorite for users seeking a mid-range phone with near-flagship features and a standout design. This year's OnePlus 15R lineup shows that mid-range devices can still push boundaries. By offering features like a massive battery, smooth 165Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, and extreme durability, OnePlus demonstrates that performance and style are not limited to premium devices. The electric purple variant adds an extra layer of excitement, and if it reaches international markets, it could redefine what buyers expect from mid-range smartphones. The OnePlus 15R's combination of hardware, software, and design choices positions it as a serious contender in the mid-range market. With launch day approaching, anticipation is building, and the phone could very well become a popular option for users looking for a powerful, durable, and stylish device without paying flagship prices. The future looks bright for the 15R, and the market response will determine if this mid-range phone becomes a global success story.